Children, last time we discussed supplementary book, first chapter, The Tiny Teacher. Today I am going to teach Honeycomb, the Chivi poem. Yes, first I will read this poem and I will explain you. I will explain you one paragraph, okay? Grown ups say things like speak up, don't talk with your mouth full, don't stare, don't point, don't pick your nose. Grown up says like means fathers, your elders, like that. They are saying to speak out if anyone new members will come to your home. Don't talk with your mouth full means don't talk when your mother and father are talking. You should say excuse me like that. Don't stare, don't point, don't point others. You will point, I think, others. If you will point, don't point. Try to change it. Don't pick your nose. Sit up. Say please. Less noise. Shut the door behind you. Sit up means sit. Say please means if you want anything if you want to ask your father or mother to buy something, say please. Less noise means don't make noise. Shut the door behind you. Close the door behind you. Don't drag your feet means don't drag your feet. Haven't you got a hanky means you bought hanky or not? The poet is asking. Hanky means handkerchief. Take your hands out of your pockets. The poet is saying please take hands from out of your pockets. Pull your socks up. Stand up straight. Say thank you. Don't interrupt. No one thinks you're funny. Take your elbows off the table. Means pull your socks means remove your socks. Stand up straight means stand very straightly. Say thank you means if your father give any gift or something, say thank you. Don't interrupt means don't interrupt others. Say if you want to talk anything, say excuse me. No one thinks you're funny means no one will think you're funny. Take your elbows off the table means if you keep leg on the table, please remove off. Can't you make your own mind up about anything? Means the poet is saying, can't you make your own things and about anything? So, what we said, I told the Chivi poem. You know what is the author of that lesson? The Michael Rosen. Okay, children, now we'll discuss question and answers. Discuss these questions in small groups before you answer them. When is a grown-up likely to say this? Don't talk with your mouth full. There are 3 questions. We'll see one another. The answer for first question is the grown-ups likely to tell the children not to talk while their mouth is full of food. Yes, now we'll discuss second one. When are you likely to be told this? Say thank you. The second one answer is the children are likely to be reminded to say thank you when they receive a gift or favor from someone. I told you, no children, if your father or mother give you a gift, you should say thank you. When do you think an adult would say this? No one thinks you're funny. Yes, the third answer is Adults are likely to tell children no one thinks you are funny when the children are too shy to speak or perform before the others. Okay, children? Now, second question. The last two lines of the poem are not proverbs or instructions. What is the adult now asking the child to do? Do you think the poet is suggesting that this is unresponsible? Why? The answer for second answer is the adult is now asking the child to think independently. The poem finds this entirely unresponsible because the young child has not been trained to use the mind. He has only been trained to follow the instructions given by the adults. Okay, children, that is the second answer. Now we'll see third answer. Third question. Why do you think grown-ups say kind of things mentioned in the poem? Is it important that they teach children good manners and how to behave in public? So the answer for third is the adults constantly give instructions to their children for various reasons. They try to train them to behave in a decent, well-mannered and civilized way. This, however, warps away their childlike innocence. Okay, children? Fourth question is, if you had to make some rules for grown-ups to follow, what would you say? Make at least 5 such rules. Arrange the lines as in a poem. Okay, children? Now, fourth answer is, don't dictate and impose your rules. Your ways and thinking is different from ours, and so are the times. Don't talk over the phone while eating. Please spend some time with us. Okay, children? This is our lesson. Thank you.